Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can increase players rating and level in FTS. For example, look at my players, look at their levels, it's so low, right? 75, 74. Let me show you the transfers. See, Messi have 94, Suarez 90, Cristiano Ronaldo 93, Sergio Aguero 89. Now I'm gonna show you how you can increase this level to maximize in 100. Now follow my steps carefully. I'm gonna show you how you can increase these levels or ratings. At first you have to download Telegram on your Android device. You can download it from Play Store and then create an account and then join my Telegram channel. The invitation link will be in description, so join now. And then you have to search FTS level. You will find this. You have to download this file. You have to download this. I've already downloaded it. Now we have to open the folder, the download folder. Open Z Archiver or any file manager application. Go to the download folder. Download folder will be Telegram to Telegram documents. Where is it? Wait a minute. Looks like the download is not complete. I have to download again. Okay, click on download. It will download it, and now there is the file. Now we have to extract here. Now we will see 6 files named player development 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to at first go to Android now. Sorry, Android data, and now find the game FTS. There it is. Go to files. Now go down. Now you can see there's already 6 files named player development 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to delete these files. Okay, let's delete these files. We have done. Now go back to the download folder once again, Telegram documents, and there's the 6 files. We have to copy it or cut. You can move this file, so I'm going to move this file to the same folder, Android data. Then we have to find the game. Here it is, files. Go down. Okay, we have to paste it here. There you go. We have done. Now we have to open the game once again. Now I'm opening the game once again. Now we're going to check the rating and level once again. See, it's changed. It was 75 maybe, now it's 96. You can see all the levels are changed. It's 100. And I'm gonna show the transfers. Looks is everything is 100. Every player got 100 rating. Where is Messi, by the way? I can see Oscar, Ozil, Dante, Pepe. Where's Messi? Wait a minute, we have to search. No, we don't have to search. Select team, Barcelona, and here you can see Messi is 100, Suarez is 100, Rakitic is 100, PK 100, Alba 100, Iniesta is also 100. Now everyone's levels is upgraded. We're gonna check out Ronaldo's level, Cristiano Ronaldo's level. We have to go on Serie A, Juventus. There we go. Chiellini is also 100. Dybala is 96. Everyone's level is maximized here. La Liga, Real Madrid, Ronaldo level is 100 here. Sergio Ramos got 100. Gareth Bale got 100. Now everyone's level is 100 now. Now I can see what all the players. So this is the easiest way to maximize your players rating to 100. I hope you like this video, like this trick. Thanks for watching.